Well, good late afternoon, YouTube. It's currently November 12th, 2025. It's getting close to 4 in the afternoon. Great turn, guy. Way to slow down. Getting close to 4 in the afternoon. It's about 79, 78 degrees. It's Wednesday. I still have the new battery on my bike. I didn't return it. They gave me a partial refund to keep it, and I said screw it. It was just easier than having to return it and deal with all that nightmare. It's on here. I also put my other triangle battery back on. If anybody didn't watch the parallel battery video, I will not be running both batteries at the same time, like a usual parallel connection. They will be operated individually. Basically, I'll wear one down and then I'll get off the bike, shut it off, and then turn the other one on. So that's the plan, my man. The voltage difference in them is too great to even try to run them at the same time. So I just did a spoke video. I had 5 broken spokes, but I could only get 4 of them in because the other one was on the other side of the wheel and I couldn't get it in. I was just said screw it. I gave up. Because that means I'm going to have to undo another spoke to get that other spoke in, and I just don't want to deal with it anymore. Okay, cat, you might want to move sometime this century. Hello? So I'm just going to go right around my neighborhood. I haven't ridden in well over a week. I've just been feeling very ill lately, so I haven't been able to do much of anything. Doing that spoke video was exhausting. That was over an hour ago, and I'm still tired. So it's either something in my diet's irritating me or it's my vitamins. So I cut out all my vitamins and I feel a little bit better, but I can't keep doing that. So I'm just going to ride around here. I'll probably only go a few miles. I don't feel like riding very far. So I guess this is how this road's going to be. They're not going to come over it and fix it or nothing unless they repave it. It's just going to be all chewed up now. It's even worse. It's even worse than it was before. They dug it up for like water runoff and irrigation, but then did the shittiest patch job they could possibly do on it. Shit. Had somebody behind me just trying to get out of their way. Oh, that's dusty. Damn. Well, the camera's picking up the dust. So I still need a new battery for the front. I still need a replacement wheel for the rear. I need to buy a kit or something. Something's better than what's on there now. And I need a new camera. I just need a new camera because I need a better resolution. I need a camera that I can use the stabilization on. And that's my goals right now. I was looking up Insta360 cameras. And note to any new affiliates, you cannot use your discount code on the purchase. If you do, you can get your account suspended. I looked it up just to make sure. I assumed that's what would happen, but you know, you never know, they might let you. That's a sale on there, but no, you cannot use your own discount codes. But there's a lot of people that have discount codes. Holy shit, that's really deep. You can find other e-bikers, mountain bike riders, motorcycle riders, so YouTubers have discount codes up the wazoo. All you gotta do is type in like Insta360 discount code in the YouTube search bar, and you'll get a whole bunch of different videos and channels you can click on. Unless you're my viewer, then use my code. Because it's just easier. You don't have to search for anything. It's right in the description, right there for you to click on. Hey, what's up? A little kitty cat in the road there. Now, one thing the seller recommended I try to do is use a different charger on my new battery than the one it came with. And I have other RCA style chargers I could use to plug it into. But I'm like, I don't know, that's usually not the best advice. Because usually your charger, when it comes with your battery, is designed specifically for your battery. It's usually not a good idea to plug other chargers into your battery other than what it came with. That's how fires happen. It feels so nice out here, guys. It's like, it's a little gloomy, but it feels wonderful. It's been rather warm the past week or so for the time of year. It's been like in the 90s in SoCal. It's crazy. It's been like fall Arizona weather around here. Granted, we are technically in a desert, so that kind of would make sense in this area. Sounds like I already broke a spoke in my rear wheel. Something's clanking around back there. Something's making an awful lot of noise. Unless I picked something up in my tire. I think I just felt a raindrop. I'm gonna turn my light on. Shit. There it is. There's a truck pulling out back there and I couldn't tell because it didn't have its lights on. I didn't know what it was doing because it was pulling out, but the dude was like standing in the back of the bed doing something with some cement or rocks or some shit, and I'm like, I couldn't tell what they were doing. I couldn't tell if the truck was moving, if it wasn't moving. Realized I can't complain about someone else not using their headlights and low light if I don't have mine turned on. I mean, I can, but I'd be kind of a dick if I did. Yeah, see, I already dropped a bar. I've gone 1.5 miles and I dropped a bar on the new battery, so oh well, it's whatever. I've been trying to find mag hub motors again. I can find them, but they're all in China. They all won't get delivered till like January or some shit. Or if they're delivered earlier, the delivery's like half more than the cost of the damn wheel. So it's like that PayPal Pay in 4 thing is great when your item only costs like less than $150, but you start getting up to $200, it's like way more expensive to make a payment every 2 weeks. Now he's got his emergency flashers on. Okay, that makes more sense. Guess I realized I couldn't tell what the hell was going on. So, you know, even though I kept the defective battery, it should get me about 8 miles of range before it dies or needs to be recharged. So that's what I was trying to do, is just get a little bit more range to alleviate some of my range anxiety. With both batteries on the back now, that takes care of that issue. I'm not going to be riding more than 12 or 15 miles anytime soon anyway, so it's no big deal. Hello. I might just go home now. That's all I wanted to do today. I wanted to get out and work on my bike and then do a short little ride just to take advantage of feeling a little bit better. But I haven't done anything in over a week, and I don't want to overdo it. Be laid up for another week again. That's no fun. I mean, you know, being laid up for a week isn't so bad because, you know, we have the internet and video games and all kinds of crap that when I was a kid we didn't really have. So being laid up for a week when you were a kid was read a whole lot of books and sleep a lot. If you're like 48 years old or older, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Of course, I had Lego and blocks and other creative things I could do with my mind while I was laid up, but so yeah, that's my short little like 10-minute ride. That's fine. I can go upload this real quick or not. I don't know. Maybe save it and upload it on Saturday or something in case I don't do any more rides, depending how I'm feeling, or also the fact that it's supposed to start raining within the next couple days. The brakes are all squeaky. Ran over something plastic. I missed it with my front tire because I saw it, but then my rear tire hit it. So that's like a little 3 mile ride is what that is. That's what that amounts to. Yeah, 3.6. That's fine. That's all I want to do. Mom might be home by now. Hopefully she didn't close the gate. She'll do that. She'll see that my bike's gone and she'll still go out there and force a habit. She'll close the big gate and I'm like, man. I just prefer stopping in my driveway. Yeah, 3.7 miles. That's fine. Shit. Mom's here. Mom got home right when I got home. My rear tire feels a little low. Maybe I did pick something up. Yeah. She was waiting for me. I'm like, I got plenty of room, Mom. You're good. Now I gotta plug 3 batteries in. Of course, back when you're fine. Back when I had 5 batteries on here, yeah, I'm a bit of a overindulgent battery user. It's much more interesting plugging my bike in. Where's it at? There it is. So I really don't like having to do this. It's so hard to get to this plug back here. So I can't see anything. I have to do it by feel. I can't even. Where's it at? Shit. I gotta figure out something else for this. I can't see what I'm doing. There it is. Found it. Okay. Yeah. I only went like up to Blair Park and back. I'm really tired. I'm exhausted. Oh. That sucks. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to do for you. I'll get the gate. Oh. Okay. All right, guys. Well, with that, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are. Don't forget to check out my discount links in the description. And it'd be nice if you subscribe. Okay. Bye.